Conclusion. It has been made clear that there are numerous dangers of the tongue. Therefore, it is vital for Muslims to be constantly aware of what they say, as it only takes a single word to cause them to plummet into hell on Judgment Day. This is confirmed in a narration found in Sunan Ibn Majah, number 3970. It is important that a person thinks before speaking, and only proceeds when the words will not be sinful or vain. This is the sign of an intelligent person. The Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, has advised in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 176, a way for a Muslim to escape all the dangers of the tongue, namely, to either speak good or remain silent. Gaining knowledge on the dangers of the tongue will enforce this teaching. But if a Muslim remains ignorant, they will commit many sins through their words without even realizing it. This is why gaining knowledge has been made a duty on all Muslims, which is confirmed in a narration found in Sunan Ibn Majah, number 224. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.